guys, it's Saturday and I've just arrived at my parents' house. Me and my dad are going to look at the fireplace that I want in my living room. My dad has made a start on this. He's cut out most of the pieces and bought some extra wood for it. And I think, hopefully today, we're going to put it together and have a little look.
you can see, we've made the fireplace surround deeper and put an internal box inside so that it gives the illusion that the fireplace goes deep into the wall, whereas in fact the back of it is just flat against the wall. So it gives more of an idea of a fireplace.
Hello guys, it's the following weekend, and this week I have been choosing my paint for the fireplace. I went to B&Q and I got some sample pots like this. They did only have silk samples at the time, so no matte, and I got two colours. One is Neptune's Castle and the other one was Winter Spruce. And I tested these two out on both the side legs of the fireplace surround, and I left it a few days. I thought about it and they were just a little bit too bright for what I wanted. So I went back a few days later and I found a colour that was like a shade darker than Neptune's Castle, which was called Marble. Marble green. And I looked at it compared to the other two swatches and I decided in store right away that I would buy the furniture paint for the fireplace. So this is what I got, the furniture paint. I think it's new from Valspar. I've never bought this type of paint before from them. I'm pretty sure it's a new product. So I have painted most of the fireplace. As you can see behind me, these are in marble green, and I've just got a few touches to do some edging and then I can assemble it all. And my dad is coming over today to help me do the hearths. I mean, he's basically doing the hearths for me. I don't know why I said that. And hopefully fit it today, which is amazing. I can't wait. He's been making the hearth for me in the week. So we are using the spare tiles that I had for my bathroom floor, the like white kind of vintagey ones with the stars, black stars on the front. And we have 3 full tiles for the hearth in the living room, and then we also have 1 tile which we cut in half, which can make the hearth for the fireplace in the back room. So another project in the house is now complete. It really makes this room just seem a lot more grand, which is so good. And I'm so happy with the colour choice. I went with a colour called marble green in the end, and I just really think it brings like richness and kind of jewel toned colour to the room. It also does tie in with the curtains that I have, and the wallpaper in the dining room has that kind of like greeny blue tones to it as well. So it all brings the two rooms together. We've fitted it just in time for Christmas, and also my birthday's coming up. So I'm going to be decorating this room for that and putting my tree up in my next video. So subscribe if you want to see how I decorate for Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment down below what you think of the project, and if you'd want to do this in your own home, maybe on like a blank wall that hasn't got any features, you can definitely make like a faux fireplace to bring some warmth and character into the room. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I think you can see this dodgy bit. There's a dodgy bit here. Let's ignore that I've missed a bit of paint.